Hello everyone, welcome to the AI email program, and this is going to be the module 1 of this course, which is going to talk about the auto rotation AI email traffic. So how to set up the auto rotation AI email traffic. So this is the tool that we are using, and this tool is a very powerful tool. And I'm going to show you how you can set it up after you've installed it on your laptop or desktop. So let's dive right into it. So before I do anything, I'm going to explain few features that we have in this particular tool, and I'm going to start by explaining what a category is. This category is the category of your list, of your email list, and don't forget, your list is the compilation of your leads. And this is the compilation. So if I want to create a list myself, I need to right click. So once I right click, I'm going to click on new category. So I'm going to name my category. Let me say I want to run email campaign to people in real estate. So I'm going to write real estate agents. So I can decide to label it with a color, and I can just leave it like that. So let me just click on OK. You can see I have my real estate agents already with 0 email, 0 leads. So this is my list with 0 leads. So when you look at my other list that are right here, like fitness experts USA list, you can see I have over 1,700 leads inside this particular list. So let me come to the real estate agents. So you can have unlimited number of lists under your category, So I can decide to add a contact manually or a lead manually to my list. Let me show you an example. I will come to new contacts, and once I come to new contact, it's going to pop up something like this, that I should input my basic information. You can see, and it's going to show conversation right here. So let me input one of my emails. So legatedstore.official @gmail.com. So I'm going to input this email, and I'm going to put my first name. Let me just say DGTech. Then the last name, I will put store or DGTech Academy. So if you want to put more information like phone number, you put it here, address, city, company. These are the fields that you can input the leads of your recipients or of your prospects, and also other informations. Let me click on OK. So you are going to notice that it has appeared right here for me. You can see. So good. And this is one method of me adding my leads. But what if I have a bulk leads, like more than one leads that I want to add to my list, or I want to add a particular list that I've generated from somewhere that I want to add to my list? This is what I will do. I'm going to come to the import data. So from this import data, you're going to see that you have different options that you can use. If your list is in Excel format, that is XLS or XLS format, or if your list is in TXT format, that is in text, or you can import by copying and paste. Then you use the import from clipboard. So let me use the import from TXT format. I will click on next. It will pop out another thing whereby I'm going to really import. Click on this icon right here to import directly from my desktop. So let me go and import one of my lists. So I'll make sure my list is in TXT format. It has to be in TXT format before I can be able to add it. So let me add this particular one. So you can see the total email found for this is 890 emails. So I'm going to click on start import. So let us wait for the magic to happen. You can see, voila, this is so wonderful. You can see it's still importing. You can see, but the wonderful thing about this software is that if you have a duplicate in your list, it would actually help you remove it immediately when you are importing it to your list. You can see remove 0 email duplicates because there is no duplicate in your list. Then I will click on OK. So this is the list that I've imported. That means in this real estate agency alone, I already have 891 emails imported that are ready for me to blast my campaign to. This is so wonderful. They are ready for me to blast my campaign to. Let me scroll down to the last page. You can see 891. You can see that this is so wonderful. This is a crazy tool. So that's so cool. Now the next thing I'm going to explain is that you can edit your email right from here as well. Each and every of these emails are editable. Okay, let me decide that I want to edit my email. I can decide to click on modify. You can see if I click on modify, probably I want to change it to 3 if there is a mistake or something, then I can do that. If I want to add my the person's first name, last name, I can do that as well. That depends. So now the next thing I'm going to be showing you is how to edit everything with this email. When you right click, you can do various things right here, like to copy the email, to move the email, to delete the email, to refresh, open column, to modify, to view reports, to select item, probably after when you blast your email, and also to take different actions to retry to send, or if you want to create a new contact entirely like we created for Digitech above. So yeah, and another thing you can do is that you can customize your settings. You can customize your settings right here. This is where you do your the software settings. If you want to open an already saved contacts, I can decide to save these formats of design in the database. Let me just say projects or projects 1, so that you won't lose your information, so that you won't lose everything that you have here after everything is gone. Probably when you lose your laptop, maybe something happens to your laptop, something happens to everything you have, your software and so on and so forth, you are still going to have the file being saved entirely. I believe you understand. So that is so fantastic. Another thing is, if you want to open it, if you want to open what you've saved, you can just click on it right here and open. So that is still one thing you need to understand. If you want to exit, you click exit right here. If you want to open a new page entirely, you can see this is just an entire new page. You can see this is a fresh page, whereby when you just create the account, this is how your page is going to look. That is, it is a fresh page. But if I want to open what I had the last time, I just need to come down here and make sure I open my last project. You can see this was my last project with every information still intact. So I can come to edit right here. I can copy, I can search, I can manage subscribers and refresh, open. I can also do my settings right here. So let us see the pop-up. So you can see the same settings that is here. App settings is the same settings that is there. You can see you can also come here to tools, you can see you can view schedule. That means you can do autoresponder. You can do autoresponder with this software. You can do autoresponder with this software. So you can see you can collect emails with this software from forums, from websites as well. You can see you can also, this software is also a powerful tool that verifies your email automatically. It verifies your email automatically before sending. It will make sure the email is existing before it is sending it out, so as to make your SMTP server play safe. It's going to make your SMTP server to play safe. And you can see you can come to help, and once you want to register, I'm going to include it. I'm going to give you the license to register for it as well. So that is that about that. So which other thing? You can compose. This is where you compose a new email. You want to send out if you want to send out a message, that is where you create your message. You can see compose new. So let me say I want to send a message to someone. Let me do this as an example. Hello there as my subject line. This is just an example. I still put hello there as the message, or maybe this is what I want to blast. You understand? I'm going to come to settings. I will make sure I convert HTML to text. You can see whereby when I come to HTML code right here, it's going to have it in HTML. In text, it will also have it in text, and I can also do it in form of a design. I can decide to clear this and import my design. I can come here, select templates. You can see there are several templates that are built in for this software. You can see these are wonderful templates, professional templates that you can customize and use for your campaign. That you can use for your campaign. You can see I can decide to select any of these. Let me select this. You can see this is it right here, and I can edit everything there. I can edit everything. So you can also insert a table. You can see you can also insert a table in terms of row and column, so that you can it's going to help you to understand how to set up what you're doing. So you can also save. You can save as, you can also exit. So I'm going to exit, and before I exit, I can decide to let me assume that I want to send out this message. Then I am going to click on add to pending list. You can see add to pending list. Which list do I want to add it to? Is it all this list or a selected one? This is the list that I just imported. So this is where I am going to add it to. By the time when I click on start now, I blast my email, is going to send to only those that are in this list, not everybody in the category. I believe you understand. But if you want it to send to more than one people in the list, you can select that in your compose new message as well.